in the Chun Ching market located in Florida, Gainesville, and we are actually shopping for our new video. We actually are just in this aisle right now selecting what stuff is good for the video. All right, so first we have some like sour candy. My brother had it, but I never tried his. And then we also have kind of the same exact thing, but like a strawberry, like cherry sour thingy. And then we got the classic Yan Yan dipping sticks. And lastly, Lay's seaweed. First, we're gonna try the 2 sour candies. Go ahead and open these. Drop one. They're hard to open. Get a pink one.
Lemon and what is that one?
Like some cherry. Like
it's a berry.
Yeah.
Some sort.
We have a couple that
Wait.
have dropped. So we're just gonna open one up and try one.
Yeah.
So let's do like a
Let's do lemon? Let's do lemon first.
yeah. Let's get a close-up shot of what it looks like.
It smells a little like soap. I know that's a weird thing to say.
It
You
does.
smell that soapiness? It's
All right, let's
it's like
take a
a-
bite into it and then show the inside.
it's like a hotel bar soap.
Yeah. Let's go ahead and take a bite.
Chewy. I thought it was gonna be a hard candy.
It's like creamy.
Oh yeah.
It's like a creamy flavor.
Yeah, that's yeah. That's definitely good.
All right.
Oh
now
yeah.
we're gonna try this.
That's good.
Whoa,
Smell.
it was sour. That smells like a flower. I think it's supposed to be like mashed up flowers with this
Very-
too.
Yeah. It is floral.
Let's try it. That's good.
Yeah. Pretty sour.
Yeah,
Pink's more sour than the lemon, actually.
yeah. All right,
It's good.
let's do the next, I guess, item. See if I'm wrong, but we're gonna try the yan yans. So,
Yan yan, yan yan.
whatever.
Whatever the correct Chinese pronunciation, assuming these are Chinese. I'm not sure. This is similar to what, Eli? What is this product similar to?
Nutella dipping sticks.
Nutella dipping sticks.
So, they come with sticks, in case you didn't know what they were. They have like either Nutella filling or just regular chocolate dipping with little crackets that have like writing on them. Like this one says elephant's longest nose.
Did you say things?
Uh-huh.
Octopus, 8 arms.
What row? I guess it tells facts, I'm guessing. So let's dip it in.
It does tell facts. It's educational.
Dip it in. Look at that. Okay, that's good.
Yeah. Double dipping, for sure. That's the only way to go. Yeah, that's good.
No? I love yan yans.
I do too.
They have enough like flavor to just by the breadsticks, honestly.
Yeah.
So let's go ahead and try the next item. So upcoming next is the seaweed lays, which is exciting. All right, so now we are trying Lay's seaweed. Pop the cap open.
This is amazing.
Huh. Wow.
Okay.
Best. So you don't have to just dig around in it. It already has like a little tray.
Sure.
We'll do a close-up shot.
Hands all greasy.
Oh yeah, look at that, baby. Good hand. All right,
All right.
let me do a close-up shot. These are surprisingly really small. Smell like seaweed.
Smells really mild
Let's
flavor.
try it. Whoa, that's unexpected.
Yeah. Wow.
They
Unexpected.
taste like barbecue Lay's mixed with seaweed. So I think that's really good.
Yeah. I'm have another one.
Yep.
Let's not get this out.
I'm guessing they have like seaweed bits kind of on top of them, but it almost seems like it's like too small though.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
Little
crush
seaweed.
it up, like crush it up really good.
Maybe like a seaweed
Like,
seasoning.
yeah. Maybe like seaweed flakes.
Seaweed flakes, yeah.
So
That's good.
I'll get a close-up shot
Yeah.
of like the dots on it, kind of. Yeah, I'm just gonna go look deep. It's like little
See the flakes. See the flakes. Nice.
Hope you enjoy this video. We'll definitely be posting more.
Yep.
Hopefully more often because
Yes.
4 months ago we made that video and it's been 4 months. So
Been a bit.
hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and send us some loves in the comment section.
Please do.
Hope you enjoyed this video and
Merry
peace out.
Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.